and we're agreeing on how he'll go about it, and we'll continue doing so. I want to say that my younger brother here, Ndindi Nyoro, has done a good job, and I'm also a beneficiary of Ndindi's economic policies. When I was preparing to go for the running mid-debate with Martha Karua, it is the Honorable Ndindi Nyoro who sat me down and gave me a few tips on matters economy. And even those who may not know, for many days when I was in trouble from the former administration, for fear of arrest over the weekends, I would spend the weekends in Ndindi Nyoro's house, and his wife Sophia would make a meal for me. The only problem, the whole weekend he would bombard me with economic issues. So we want to encourage our young people to continue working for this country.